Now we come into another data type, tuple. Tuple is a data structure which is also called collection of items, in which we can store anything like string, float, integer, etc. The syntax of tuple is item 1, item 2, item 3, closes by parenthesis. Note: we write the item of the tuple inside parentheses and each item is separated by a comma in tuple. In tuple, duplicates are not allowed. Are allowed. Sorry. In tuple is immutable in nature. We can do a practical of tuple in the coding environment. Without any delay, let's move toward coding environment. Let's do a practical on topic tuple. For this, first we create one Python file named tuple2.python here. After that, we have successfully created a tuple file. Now, our first task is to create an empty tuple like variable 1. We have to create empty tuple like this way. Now, we want to check the type of tuple. Print type of this variable 1, this tuple. Now see here, here is tuple, class is tuple. Again we create empty tuple in another way like here, this one. Simply do this. This is also one empty tuple here. See here, class is tuple. After that we create a tuple that contain certain element here. I want to create tuple like 45.6 comma 6 comma 8 comma Vinod here. I have created a tuple with some value. Now while printing, print this value 1 here. Now here tuple is successfully printed. Now for finding the length of tuple here, we use length function like print length of this tuple variable 1. The length of this tuple is 4 because it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Now our second task is to copy value of one tuple into another tuple. For this, we have to create another tuple like another variable this, another variable name variable 2 and copy the values of tuple 1. After that, we print tuple 2 variable 2 here. Now the values are here successfully printed. Now we perform another important task, indexing in case of tuple here. Now for this, print variables 1, which index I want to print. I want to print third index here. Now here output is Vinod here because 0, 1, 2 and third index is here. I want to access like second index here. See the output is different. See the output is 8. Another important topic is to find index of the variable inside the tuple. For this, uh, I use the index here. Print uh, tuple 1 dot index. I want to find suppose index of 45.6 here. After running the program here successfully 1 here is printed. Suppose I want to find the index of Vinod here output is 3. The index of is 3. Index always start from 0. If you want to see the video on the topic set, click on the I button showing above. That's all for Tuple. If you like this video, please circulate this video with your classmate and with the juniors. The aim of this channel is to complete 1K subscriber. After achieving this milestone, I will provide all the notes related to engineering in my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box and in about section of my YouTube channel. Thank you. Best of luck.